Hey guys, I'm Dipti and today's video is going to be 1 minute. An empties video. So these are some empties that I've collected over the past year. I have done one which I will link right here, and it's been a while since I did another empties video. So anyways, I will link that video right here if you guys want to see what are the other products that are emptied, because I'm pretty sure that I don't have all of that in this empties because of course I didn't repurchase everything. So let's first get started. The first one is the Bedhead fully loaded massive volume shampoo. This is one of my all-time favorite shampoos. You can't really find this in India anymore, but I did repurchase it from a UK website and I had to pay customs duty for it. So I'm not sure how long I would be able to do that and keep repurchasing it with that hefty price. So I have found one other shampoo which I really like, the Kama Ayurveda shampoo. It's pretty good for my hair. It is a sulfate free shampoo, but sometimes I just want my hair to be like smooth and nice and not have as much frizz, and this is that one shampoo that can do it for me with a minimal hair fall and just beautiful hair. So I'm so disappointed why they had to discontinue this particular variant and not the other ones. All the other variants that they have, the blue one, the green one, are all the best sellers, and this one apparently doesn't sell as much. I'm like, what? Because it's not everyone's favorite, but yeah, you can't find this anymore. It was a pretty pricey shampoo. It was for 1,100 rupees and I could always get it on discount on Nykaa for 840 rupees. I did try out the blue variant. I will link it in the description box below. It is pretty good, but it was not as good as this one is. And then I emptied my Garnier Micellar water. This is one of my favorite micellar waters. I actually first got it in this size and then I went ahead and repurchased my table is such a mess that I've been knocking out things over here. So I went ahead and repurchased the bigger size because I feel like I would get more use out of that. Of course, this is not like travel friendly, that huge size, and this one would be a little bit more appropriate. But I have the Bioderma small micellar water, which again, that also is halfway through. So I'll keep that aside for now. But the bigger size is a good value for money, but this is a really nice product if you just want to start trying it out. So the next one I have is the Body Shop Shower Gel. This is a strawberry variant. It is one of my favorite shower gels, especially when I have like very itchy skin and everything. It is a little bit more calming on my skin. It doesn't strip my skin out. It doesn't like dry my skin out. I haven't purchased it this time because I found something that I've found to be a bit better value for money and a little bit more affordable. So I was constantly repurchasing that shower gel, but maybe I will go back to this later sometime. Like, I'm not sure. Right now I haven't repurchased it. So the other shower gel which I mentioned, I have repurchased time and time again. This one is the Nivea Shower Gel. So I have this one in the Lily of the Valley variant and also Plum Blossom. So the Plum Blossom one was not my favorite. I didn't quite really like the scent of this. Yeah, not a big fan of the scent, but I really like the Lily of the Valley variant, so I did repurchase this one, which is right here currently, and it is about time I need to start using it because I'm out of shower gels, but I really like this. And then my Derma Weave Hydra Cleanser, I've emptied this. I emptied this a long time ago because I really like this face wash, because it's not very drying, but it also cleanses your skin and it also leaves a nice glow on your skin. It doesn't like strip your skin off and doesn't make it very dry. Like I feel like in the end of the day, when you try out all the other cleansers, most of it pretty much performs the same. In the end of the day, it's just a cleanser, but you just choose some favorites out of that, and this had to be one of that for me because it was not very drying, and it can work for a lot of different skin types as well. I'm almost halfway through their moisturizer. I haven't emptied it because I found the Bioderma one working a lot better for me during this time of the year, but I'm pretty sure in a couple of more uses I will be out of the moisturizer as well. And then of course, just like my last empties, I have 2 bottles of the Jergens body lotion and one tiny travel variant. This is one of my favorite body lotion. Like, my husband and I find it to be extremely good value for money because you get 600 ml of product, and this used to retail for 695 rupees, but I don't think you can find this anymore in stock most of the places, especially this ultra healing variant, which is for very dry to very dry skin. You can't really find this one anymore. I'm still on the lookout for this, but if you buy this one body lotion, I don't think you would really need anything else. You know, it just does the job throughout the year. You can use it during the summer months, you can use it during the winter months, you can go a little bit heavy handed during the winter months. Again, in the summer months, it doesn't feel very sticky and very like tacky and you know, especially when you sweat and it's going to be really sticky. It's nothing like that. It absorbs instantly into your skin. So that used to be one of my favorite body lotions. I have repurchased it time and time again until I couldn't find it anymore. So I've switched to other body lotion. And then I have this one. The label is almost out. This one is the Tapta Organic Volumizing Hair Oil. This had really good ingredients, which was, I think, curry leaves, bringraj, and a lot of other things. So it is a really good oil. And then we have a hair mask. This one is the Plum Olive and Macadamia Mega Moisturizing Hair Mask. This is a really nice hair mask which looks extremely messy. I wonder how other people's empty products look really nice and neat, and mine looks beat. But yeah, this was a really nice hair mask. It's just really nice for your hair. It makes it soft and your hair doesn't get really frizzy and dry with this one. So it was a really nice hair mask. And the reason I didn't repurchase that is because I already had this one in my collection. This one is the Schwarzkopf Spa Essence Enriching Cream Mask. Again, a really nice mask. Especially, it's such a good value for money. You get 500 ml and this was for 600 rupees. So if you're looking for a good hair mask, something that you don't have to repurchase time and time again, especially if you're someone who uses it like twice a week, you can try this one out because you get a lot of quantity and it again works really well for your hair. Your hair is not static, it's not frizzy, it's not dry, and it doesn't look lifeless when you use these hair masks. It is so good. Again, emptied this one out. It took me a while, but yeah, here we are. The container is pretty good. You can actually reuse this if you want to store something else. So yeah. Next up we have the Plum Illuminance Cleansing Balm. You guys have heard me talk about this time and time again. It is one of my favorite cleansing balms. I love the consistency of this. It just melts your makeup and all at one go. A little goes a long way and it doesn't sting and burn my eye, and it was one of the best cleansing balms I tried out. I do have a couple of cleansing balms in my collection right now, so I'm not going to be repurchasing this until I empty those out. So I don't want to like hoard a lot of products because I just have one face and I'm the only one who's going to be using all of this, so I can't really finish up everything and those products would go to waste. But this is a really nice cleansing balm. If you have oily skin, I think you wouldn't really like this because it does leave a little bit of an oil slick on your face. So this I would recommend for people with normal to sort of dry skin. It's very emollient, it doesn't tug and pull on your skin. Really good. Next up we have the Streax Professional Smooth and Shine Mask. So this one is not as good as the other two masks that I showed you, but it is pretty good for the price. This one was super affordable as well, but it's pretty good. Like for my hair, I don't really have extremely dry hair. I don't have extremely frizzy hair. It can get frizzy at times, but it's okay, it's manageable. So for my hair, it was pretty good. But would I repurchase this particular hair mask? Not quite. If I had to repurchase, I would probably just repurchase the Plum one or the Schwarzkopf one because of the quantity you get. So the next one we have is the Biolage Advanced Fiberstrong Conditioner. So this is the first time I've actually emptied a conditioner and not the shampoo. I have the shampoo for the same variant, but that one I do have quite a bit of product left. But this one I emptied it completely because I feel like it was such a nice travel size of packaging, and it was easy for me to take it if I had to go somewhere, and it was easy to use it as well. Like I currently have the bedhead shampoo, which is quite big. Like the shampoo is big, the conditioner is also big, and I don't find it to be convenient to use it if I had to take it with me somewhere, but this one was very convenient. So yeah, it was a pretty good conditioner. It did everything that a conditioner should do. And then we have the Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub. This one is in the coconut lime variant. A really nice body scrub. But sometimes, especially if you have like body eczema and you have like dryness and itchiness on your body, a scrub like this with a little bit of like that coarse scrub particles can trigger it and make it a little bit more dry and harsh. So I switched to the Plum one. I know not a lot of people like the Plum body scrub, but I really like it. Like it's exactly how I want my body scrub to be, not too harsh, and it doesn't strip my skin off, and it doesn't trigger my eczema. It doesn't cause that itching on my body. So that's the reason I switched to that. But this one is a really nice body scrub. If you guys are wondering what is that, I added a little bit of water to scoop out the product. And then we have this one. This one is the No Soap pH 5.5 Gentle Skin Cleanser. It's extremely gentle. It is a pH balanced cleanser. It is extremely gentle. It will not remove any sort of like makeup residue that's left on your face. So if you have like a full face of makeup on, and this is like you've used your cleansing balm or micellar water, and you're planning to use this one to take off any remaining gunk on your face, this wouldn't do it. It's extremely subtle, extremely mild. So I used to use this during the morning times. And then I have this one. This one is the Minimalist Alpha Arbutin Serum. I've gone through an entire bottle of this. This is something I'm definitely going to be repurchasing because I love this. I love the effect of this on my skin. It works wonders for my skin. This is one thing that I have seen give me good results with, especially with my pigmentation, especially here, right here, around my mouth. It was so intense at once, and ever since I started to use this, it's a lot better. So I really like this product and will definitely be repurchasing it. Yeah. And then we have the Rexona Shower Fresh Underarm Odor Protection. So I really like this underarm roll-on. I really like the smell of this one as well. It's very nice, and I currently have the pink variant, which I'm not a very big fan of, and I feel like that doesn't help in masking the body odor for a prolonged period of time, especially if you have like a long day, you're wearing like synthetic clothes, or you're wearing sleeveless in general. It's not very long lasting, but this one was amazing. And this one and the Nivea roll-on are one of my favorite, the Nivea white roll-on. Yeah, that one doesn't cause as much pigmentation as well. And then the Colgate Visible White. I have talked about this in another video. If you want to know my thoughts on it, I will link it right here. This is something I have repurchased. I really like this toothpaste. Another one which is not empty just yet, I'm going to be squeezing out all of that product from this, is the Bioderma Atoderm cream. We've gone through 2 or 3 of this. I'm not sure where is the other one because I'm collecting everything in one bag, but we've almost emptied this. I have another tube to go, and then we have a couple of backups for this because this is one of my favorite moisturizers, especially for the winter time, especially if you have to wear it underneath like full coverage makeup, and if you have very dry skin, definitely do recommend this one. And then the last one, we have the Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. So I emptied a kajal after a really long time. This one was okay. It's not the most long-lasting kajal. It's not the most smudge-proof kajal, but it doesn't burn my eye, and it is easy to reapply every single time. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These were all the emptied products. So let me know what products you have emptied in the comment section down below. I always like to engage with you guys. I like to chat. I like to know, and I'm always reading your comments. So let me know in the comment section down below. And while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I see you guys in my next one. Bye.